Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial. Hey everyone, in today's Elementor tutorial, we will be going over how to modify and change the SoundCloud player in Elementor. So, Elementor has a dedicated SoundCloud element, which is nice for musicians and podcasters. But the frustrating thing about Element is that it doesn't let you change the height of the SoundCloud cloud player, or it doesn't let you take out the name or the artist that's displayed in the embedded player. So today we will go over how to get around that, uh, actually by using the HTML widget and modifying the embed code a little bit. So by modifying the HTML SoundCloud embed code, we will be able to, number one, change the height of the player. Number two, take out the artist name. And number three, take out the track title. Okay, so if you're ready, let's dive right in. Okay, so you see here on this page, we have the SoundCloud element here. As you can see, the SoundCloud element, you're able to adjust the width, but not the height. And then if you go here into the SoundCloud options for that element, you actually don't have an option to not display the artist or not display the track title, right? Hey, we've got a quick favor ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel in these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you. We will be show you how to do that with the HTML widget. Okay, so we are going to take this HTML code widget and put it in. And then we are going over to SoundCloud and taking the embed code to put into HTML code element. As you can see here in this iframe code, we can remove the title of the track and the main. And then for the width and the height, the width is by default set to 100% of the screen. This is so that it is responsive to the screen size the viewer is viewing with, so mobile or desktop or tablet. The height, you could adjust by pixels right here. So if you want the height to, so you want to decrease the height, then you type in a lower number here. And if you want to increase the height, you type in a higher number here. Okay, and that's pretty much it. If you appreciated this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, put in the comment section below. And be sure to hit that bell and the subscribe button so you get alerts when new videos come out. Thank you very much. Bye.